kitty's jealous.
And the kitty's jealous. See how the kitty likes to just get petted just because there's a bunny on her lap?
Look at that bunny. Look at it. I'm petting the bunny. Oh, nope. Can't do that. Wants my hand. Come on, let me pet the kitty. Let me pet the kitty.
There, I can get Mama's face in now. Does Mama want to get rid of the bunny? Mama wants to take the bunny back home.
I'm not being mean.
No. Let me get a close-up of the bunny.
Okay.
No, I got it.
Oh,
I can do it. I can do it from here.
Well, you said let me, so I assumed that meant I was supposed to do that.
Nope. This is fast. Hello, kitty.
Look, I'm petting the bunny. Look, I'm petting the bunny. Oh, look at the pet. I pet the bunny. You don't want me to pet the bunny?
I'm getting a glare off of the window.
Okay. Look at the bunny.
There we go. That's better.
Look at the bunny. Want me to pet the bunny? No, want me to pet you? You're shedding everywhere.
Yeah.
I have to vacuum
Big
this.
fat cat.
I have to vacuum again. You're being silly. You're trying to get as close to me as possible. Wait, look. Look at the bunny. Look at the bunny.
Here's the bunny. Say I'm jealous. Sniff the bunny's butt.
Oh. Sniff the bunny's butt. I'm just afraid she's going to try to eat it. So I'm all ready in case she decides, chomp. You're a good kitty, aren't you? Yeah, you won't eat the bunny. Not while I'm watching you.
No.
Okay, I'm going to pet the bunny.
No, you're not. You're going to pet me.
Can I pet the bunny? Come on, let me pet the bunny. Let me pet the bunny. Come pet the bunny. Oh, you're so full of hair. Are you a jealous kitty? Oh.
Oh, what is she going to bite you?
Should bite.
Oh.
That's okay. That's not nice. Don't bite me. Okay. Want me to pet the bunny? Come on, let me pet the bunny. Oh, take a bath.
Okay. Hi, honey. Hi
Hi.
to you. Hi to you.
I'm trying to make sure I don't get
Bunny poop on you?
bunny poop. Oh, you went after the bunny, huh?
You better not. You be slapping the bunny, you'll be going outside. Cat.
This is our grandchild.
Say hi, bunny.
This is our daughter.
Yeah.
And this is our grandchild. Oh. You want me to pay attention to you and not the bunny. Why?
Well, this is getting boring as hell.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, you don't... Do you want me to pet you instead of the bunny? Do you want to pet the bunny? Do you want to pet the bunny?
So you're going to slap the bunny. You're going to slap the bunny, aren't you?
Do you like the bunny? Here.
Here, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Kiss the bunny. Oh.
She was going to bite the bunny.
You're going to bite the bunny.
That bunny sniffed your nose, huh? You see the bunny?
Oh, say goodbye.
Yeah. Bunny's going to sleep.
Say goodbye, bunny.
Bye, bunny.
I'll open the door. Say hi, honey.
Hi.
I love you.